Thanks for joining me on my channel, New Growth Naturals. Today I'll be showing you how to make a treatment if you have dry, brittle hair. This treatment is excellent for you. This is what you'd need: 1 ripe banana, black Jamaican castor oil, blackstrap molasses, and coconut oil. Let's get into it. So bananas are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine, and also prevent and control dandruff. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help to soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, and this helps to prevent split ends and breakage. Coconut oil is very moisturizing to the hair. It also helps to kill scalp bacteria. It helps to keep your scalp healthy, and also it gives a lot of shine to the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to my mixture. Now that I've added my coconut oil, I'm going to go ahead and add my blackstrap molasses, and this is my key ingredient as well, because molasses can help to nourish your hair strands and follicles, as it is rich in potassium, copper, calcium, and magnesium. Molasses also contains anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant that promotes scalp health. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of blackstrap molasses. As you can see, this is very thick. And also, it's something to note: if you have gray hair, this can help to reverse your gray hair by taking it internally as well as applying it topically to your hair. So now that I've added my blackstrap molasses, I'm going to go ahead and use my black Jamaican castor oil, which helps to thicken your hair and nourish your hair strands, that leaves it healthier, shinier, and also to help to prevent the breakage. I'm only adding 1 tablespoon of black Jamaican castor oil to my mixture because this one is very potent. So now that I've added all my ingredients, I'm just going to put a little bit of water in my mixture so that it won't be so thick. As you can see how thick the molasses was and the banana. I need my mixture to be really smooth and not as thick because I'm using this as a deep conditioner. So let's go ahead and blend this mixture up. As you can see, my mixture is super creamy, and I'll be needing all of this mixture to do my deep conditioner for my hair because my hair is really thick. I have a lot of hair. Let me know if you've tried this mixture before, and also in the comment section, let me know the improvement on your natural hair and what other videos that you'd like to see me do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos and hair tips. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye bye.